In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove password from PDF in Smallpdf. Now, the first thing you have to have, of course, is a PDF which has a password. So over here, as you can see, I have a protected PDF. I'm going to double click it to open it. And as you can see here, it's going to require a password to be opened. And when I enter it, there we go, it's going to allow me to see the document. Now, that's basically what happens whenever you have a protected PDF. So if you want to actually remove the password inside Smallpdf, that's also very possible. You simply have to go to the left here where you can see it says more, and you want to go and click on unlock, and you'll be able to select the file, which is the protected password locked PDF, and then you want to click on it. It's this one over here. I'm going to click on open, and there we go. It's going to basically start working, and whenever that's done, usually takes a few seconds, it's going to say that you have to basically put in the password to unlock it, so you must know the password to be able to do that. I'm going to type in the password, click on unlock, and there we go. The password is going to get removed, and you can go ahead and download the new unlocked document here inside Smallpdf. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.